this review, I kind of wanted to do a video to show you a couple of things. First, it's beautiful. Secondly, each knife actually has written right on it what type of knife it is and the length of the knife. These knives are dishwasher safe. It also takes up a very small footprint. You can see it really small. I mean, that's like 3 inches, 4 inches maybe, with other things there. So yeah, small footprint. And then it also comes with this built-in sharpener. One of the biggest things that I have made a point of passing down to other females in my family, my daughter, my nieces, my grandchildren, is use sharp knives. Use sharp knives. It is very important. Your stuff cuts the right way, and use the right knife for the right process. That also will help the process go better. So, there you go. It's a very stunning, beautiful set. Very sharp. And, yeah, I definitely would give it 5 stars.